Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve this equation with the help of mathematics operations. So let's start it. In first equation we have given circle plus triangle equal to 8. Suppose this circle is equal to, we can denote this circle by A and this triangle by B and this star by C and this square by D. Okay, also substitute all A, B, and this is a D, C, B, A, C, and D. Now let's start it. A plus B is equal to 8. From here, C minus D is equal to D. Right? And from here, A minus B is equal to 4. You can clearly see we can solve these two. And from here we can get the value of A. A plus B is equal to 8, A minus B is equal to 4. Add them, these two will cancel with each other. A plus A, 2A, 8 plus 4, 12. So the value of A is 6. Now put this A into this equation, you will get the value of B. So A plus B is equal to 8. Now 6 plus B is equal to 8 and B, this 6 will become subtracted from 8, you will get the 2. So the value of B is 2. Okay, from here you see D minus C minus D is equal to D, and from here D plus C is equal to 12, right? So we can solve these two equations and from here we can get the value of C or D. So C minus D is equal to D. Also shift this D to this side. It will become C minus D equal to 0 or C minus 2D equal to 0. And from here you see we can write this D plus C as C plus D is equal to 12. Now subtract them from each other. Change their signs. C minus C, it will cancel each other and from here you will get minus 3D and from here minus 12. Divide both sides by minus 3, you will get positive 4. So the value of D is equal to 4. We have the value of A, B, D. Which value is missing? The value of C is missing. So you can put the value of D, like which is equal to 4. Here put value 4. You can get the value of C, which is 4 will become negative. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now we have also the value of C. Now put over here the value B. Value of B is 2 plus A. Value of A is 6 minus star whose value is 6. C and C is equal to 8. So put over here 8 plus D means square which is denoted by D and the value of D is 4. Now 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 8 will cancel each other, so 4. So the value of this equation is 4. This is our final answer. I hope you like this video. If so, then please hit like button. Also subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed and share it with your friends. See you in next interesting video. Thank you.